Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Tuck Notes Beginner Stock Talk. My name is Tucker and tonight we'll be talking about overall stock market and Tesla stock. This will be a short video and I'll get straight to the point of what we would like to know. And that is what happened today, what's going to happen tomorrow, and what are the figures. So, yesterday we talked about $700 being the key price point to that Tesla could stay at or above, and we talked about yesterday it hitting possibly $680. It got to $690 or $89, and then it closed above $700, which was a really that's positive for us that are bullish upon this. But we were also told today some news, and that is that Berlin and Austin are losing billions of dollars, becoming a money furnace. That's Elon's words. And meanwhile, the overall stock market's still going up. So the factories, they are open. But this is the down low. It's going to take time to fully produce the amount of vehicles that they have planned. So that means probably they got to do some AI work to get their robotics working and make their machines go. I don't know. This is just my thought. It's no like inside information or anything. But they're losing. Berlin and Austin are losing. This is a quote. Berlin and Austin are losing billions of dollars right now because of tons of expenses and hardly any output. Getting Berlin and Austin functioning and Shanghai back in the saddle are fully overwhelming our concerns. Everything else is very small. Everything else is a very small thing, basically. However deep you want to dive into that, go for it. I'm not your lifeguard today. There's the Tesla plans to shut down for a 2-week suspension, and for the most part, they will be upgrading their Shanghai production, and so one could expect this to be 2 weeks, 14 days, or one could expect this to be 1 week. You know, who knows? So, you know, I try to give you guys the best information, and if you like these videos, let me know. Push the like button if you find these videos helpful. You know, subscribe to the channel. But historically, July has been a moment for Tesla to go up. But I don't know what's going to happen right now with all the stuff that's going on. We could be, good news, we could be edging closer to $750. However, you know, I could see $738 tomorrow possibly being a sell, or the highest ceiling for tomorrow. And then there's also a gap between, a big gap between $666 and $673. So if you were tonight put on a limit buy for something between Tesla stock between $666 and $672, you might get that filled. And if that gap gets filled up, we could see a run up go. So two things could play out. We could see in the morning Tesla go from $705 up to $738 and then down to $680 or $666. Or in the morning we could just see a big drop followed by Bitcoin up to 738, which would be a much better process, I think, financially, right? Other companies, if you think, some companies doing bad, MicroStrategy is a company we talked about last year. That was a company that did very well, and it went from $400 to over $1,000, and it was basically fueled by Bitcoin in the run-up when it went up to $69,000. I use the stock as a tool to know what's going on in the stock market, because this is a Bitcoin relatable stock that was $1,000 and now is $188. So that's because of it had a lot of exposure to Bitcoin. And so now MicroStrategy is the company historically has been a good company, but it did not do the right, since it had Bitcoin so much on their balance sheet, it's suffering the repercussions of it. But that doesn't mean it could come back with a vengeance. So that's that. If you like this video, please let me know. I like to do sign language. I'm learning some things. So when we go like this, or like this, we're going flat. When I go like this, caving in. And I go like that, we're going in more. And if you know about this, you've seen where I picked this video, where this little hands gesture from. Check it out on YouTube on one of those interviews with Elon Musk. Or you can read a book that's very dark that I'm not going to recommend. Anyways, I hope you have a nice night, and I'll talk to you later.